Evet, şu anda Chicago'daki en yüksek binada binanın 103. katındayız. Bakalım aşağıya kaç dakikada gidebiliriz asansörle. Excuse me. Mándame ya, chico. Evet, şu anda asansöre bindik. Çekeceğim. Evet, gördüğünüz gibi şu an 103. kattayız.
We hope you enjoyed Chicago from the city's highest point. Now, we're traveling down at over 18 miles per hour on one of the fastest elevators in the world. Along the way, take a peek at all the things happening in this tower. While some are whining and dining, others are burning off calories. Thousands of people work hard across nearly 100 office floors. Others are celebrating life. And still more people are visiting for the day. There's something for everyone in this tower. Take your Skydeck memories home with you at the photo pickup and explore hundreds of unique items in the Skydeck marketplace. Thank you for visiting Skydeck.
Evet, şu anda aşağıya vardık. Evet, şu binanın en üstündeydik. Şu anda en alta indik.
I got you too, right?